Good afternoon. Such a pleasure, and I am proud to be here to share our initiative called Global Knowledge, Media and Communication. It is my pleasure to talk about the initiative, what we have started recently. So, just let me quickly share a presentation to quickly take you through what we are doing in Global Knowledge, Media and Communication initiative. The idea is to share knowledge within the community. All these expert professionals and peer and industry leaders, what we have within the community, and connect them to share their information as best practice across the globe and in India. So this initiative was formed with Rahul Lal from the governing board as actively engaged to guide and inform us on the ways with the very senior industry professionals like Aval, Dennis, Jatin, Jyoti, Kannad, Manu, Parvez, Prachi, Surinder, and Tarun Sharma, who will bring their deep insight to inform the community at large. The reason why we have created this knowledge sharing platform is to reach out and engage the corporate community across the globe, specifically those young people who are part of our community, to learn from this platform and become thorough professional and gain experience in a nutshell. The vision is through our industry leaders, what we have within the community, as well as their deep insight and experience to share their knowledge, as well as channelize the effort of the community at large to support the young generation, the professionals of the community. The way to do it is to have an effective communication strategy and plan so that all our engagement across the board is seamless. Secondly, to assimilate and collate information and inform what's happening in the community at large. For example, what kind of innovation is happening, what kind of thought is going on. And we are also starting in this initiative, for example, a journal which will collate all this information. We are also doing a lot of research on white papers, creating white papers, which will, for example, we are doing for real estate and future of workplace. As well as the third thing, what we are doing, we are engaging people, we call them engagement champions, who will be the front runner in terms of sharing information. On the right hand side, what you see is our team of engagement champions across India. And the next level, we are going to go to global community of engagement champions. That is what we are doing. I'm proud to be here and wonderful to have all of you on this annual celebrations. Thank you very much.